A logbook is an essential communication tool to pass on relevant information to the people working in various shifts. All guest information should be noted down in logbook. Usually supervisors fill out the logbook before the end of the shift. Before reporting to shift, you must read the logbook so that you are aware of all important instruction. Before I get into detail of how to maintain the logbook, if you are new here, and have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We make learning videos for people working in hotels. If you work in a hotel or intend to join one, this channel will be useful for you. And do not forget to check out our site, clarifiedbetter.com. On the channel we have an academy with in-depth courses from all departments that you can start learning for free. In this video, we are learning about logbooks. In order to maintain the logbook, we must record all special requests that guest give. In case there is an incident involving guest, we must enter that in detail, stating the facts and the action taken. We must also enter all the maintenance complaints in the logbook, so that we can follow up on them.
Can you send a hot water bag up to my room? My room number is 270.
Sure, sir. My colleague will bring it up within 5 minutes. Also do remember to enter any items that were given to the room on returnable basis. This will help us to keep a track of our inventory. In the logbook also make a note of do not disturb rooms and refused service rooms. In this video, we learned how to maintain a logbook. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. Keep watching and learning with clarifiedbetter.com.